Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car recorder in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car recorders to buy right now based on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Bipocam Dashcam. Specifications. Brand name, Bipocam. Aperture, 1.6. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, SONY IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 550 grams. Number 4 is Red Tiger 4K dash camera. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. App compatibility, Android, iOS. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, SONY IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. Interface, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Weight, 700 grams. As the item number 3 we've selected, Pi Dashcam Mini 5. Specifications. Brand name, Pi. View angle, 105 degrees to 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, SONY IMX415. Chipset manufacturer, SigmaStar. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is ObjPeak T30. Specifications. Brand name, ObjPeak. Display, IPS. Touchscreen, yes. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 1200 mega. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. On the top of our list at number 1 we have VFO A229 Plus. Specifications. Brand name, VFO. Power source, corded electric. Rear camera, yes. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 512 GB. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 60. Warranty, 1 year.